Hi, my name is Matt Zart. I work at Cambrex Charles City in analytical development as a group leader. Probably the most challenging method development problems that we run into reflect timing and making sure that we have enough time to do the proper job in bringing those methods in. That usually means that it's come about late in the process, and then we have to react quickly. But if we have plenty of time, then we would be looking at more technically challenging types of problems. Things like multiple analytes and liquid-chromatography systems. I've worked on some methods that require up to a dozen different analytes. They may require multiple wavelengths to be utilized. They might have multiple relative response factors. So all of those things can complicate a method when you need to utilize them all simultaneously. We receive methods from definitely other sites within the Cambrex family. The methods might be developed at a different phase in the process. So that's, again, what we do is to try to make sure they're robust for their use at the phase that is now necessary. Cambrex High Point might do a phase 2 type of project, and then it'll come to the Cambrex Charles City site for commercialization. And then we'll try to optimize those methods and get them ready for use in the quality control area.